Before you begin, remove the access panel and the front bezel. Removal. Rotate the drives cage in an upward position. Disconnect the speaker cable from the motherboard. Remove the speaker cable from the routing channel on the chassis. Remove the two Torx T15 screws that secure the speaker to the front of the chassis. Remove the speaker from the chassis. Replacement. Position the speaker against the chassis and align the screw holes. Replace the two Torx T15 screws that secure the speaker to the chassis. Route the speaker cable into the routing channel on the chassis. Connect the speaker cable to the motherboard. Rotate the drives cage to the downward position.